I hadn't seen this 10-year-old Maine masonry heater much since we'd built it, but it fits into this home beautifully, defining an entry, a living room, and a kitchen while giving lots of privacy to a restroom and a rear bedroom. It gives you a warm place to sit and a transfixing view of the fire. After 10 years, the door needed tightening up and the air inlet damper needed some attention. If you have a tight home, you'll need an outside air system, so let's check that part out. The inlet needs to be placed in a spot protected from water and from snow buildup. From here, combustion air flows through an insulated pipe. Sometimes our dampers go right at the foundation wall, but in this case, convenience dictated placing it in the open heater foundation. The gasketed damper is simple. It has a closed position and an open position, and controls can be placed right near the heater as well. Air enters the firebox near the door and further back. You can really feel a lot of air flowing through this system. Here we see a top-down burn getting established. The fire works its way down the pile until the entire fuel load is thoroughly involved. Once it is, you can expect a flame path of 3 to 4 feet. It goes so far that you can watch it whip through the oven as well. What a pleasure it is to watch this stove burn.